Yeah.
Okay.
I couldn't figure it out.
It's meant for 4-year-olds. It's complicated for you.
The only bag I could find to put it in. Hey, what is it? It's lifted out, but it's heavy. It's a music player.
Mommy Michael.
It's going to
Okay. Press this button over here. Press that.
That was.
Now press that button. Now wait. Here comes the music.
There's the volume on this side. You might need to turn it up a
Wait a minute.
little.
Here it comes.
She's going to take over to Papa.
You gonna sing?
Who's the audio guy?
Press the button on the side.
Yeah, turn the volume up just a little bit there.
You want to open this last present, Sylvia? Well, Papa figures that one out.
I think she can open her own gift.
Oh. It's a new.
There. And I made sure they moved.
Wow.
Listen. Push that button over there and say something. Push the microphone button.
Hop, hop. You and I are the only ones who have press. Oh, press. Dustin has presents. Oh! Emily, check it out.
Press the button.
Sims?
Pet. Hop, hop, hop.
It just says at the hop. Sing in there. Press the blue button. Press the blue button. Let's go to the hop. Let's go. Not sure. It's not the same one.
No, it's the add-on pack, the one she borrowed from me. I borrowed from her. Sorry. I'm confused.
Borrow that from you.
No, that's not the same one.
No,
Medieval?
it's the add-on one.
Oh, yeah. That's the pirate.
Yeah, I know. I know what I'm talking